Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there, guys. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope everybody's having a fantastic afternoon. Most of all, I hope you guys are staying safe. This is a trying time that we're living through right now, and I hope you're doing all the things you need to do to keep you and your family safe. And most of all, I hope you're staying prayed up. Now, today, guys, I am participating, as you probably guessed, in another Tablescape collaboration. This one is the Pretty in Pink Tablescape 2020. The host for this collaboration is the lovely Marilyn, and her channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, I don't know if you're a member or if you subscribe to her channel or not, but if you haven't, again, you are missing some great advice on DIYs, home decor, you name it. Please go over and show her some love. Again, that's Marilyn. Her channel is Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, the co-host for this one is Miss Diva Designing on a Dime. Her name is Kimberly Davis. Again, that's Diva Designing on a Dime. Again, if you have not subscribed to her channel yet, I hope you'll go and do that. Show her some love. Her channel's fantastic. I mean, she does all kinds of great home decor videos. She gives us advice on anything from clean with me's to you just name it. Go over, check her channel out if you haven't done so. And again, that's Diva Designing on a Dime with Miss Kimberly Davis. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I hope you'll do that today. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button so that you'll be notified whenever new content is uploaded. Now, getting to this tablescape today. Again, it is, as I said, the Pretty in Pink Tablescape 2020. So for my tablescape, what I decided to do was pink and gold. I don't usually put those colors together, but I wanted to see what it would look like. And you know what? I like it. I really like what I came up with, but I welcome all of your comments. You guys let me know what you think. I'll do a quick talk through and then I'm going to be quiet and put the music on, let you guys just kind of check out the table. So you'll see that I've layered my settings. I've got gold placemats on top of pink placemats. I've layered the plates, pink plate, a pink and white plate, and then I've got my pink napkins, gold napkin rings, and I've got some little picks that I got from the dollar store, and you'll see I also have them around my centerpiece, the little pink sparkly picks there. Also, the centerpiece you might recognize because I just did this, did a DIY video on this centerpiece. This was an old vase. I wasn't using it, an old clear glass vase, and I decided to use some acrylic paints to kind of dress it up. And the bottom of it has some gold that kind of matches those votives there, and Mod Podge, and boom, there you go. Came up with a vase that I could use for this particular tablescape and maybe some others. The top part is a floral piece that I put together, and it's just a foam floral form with some dollar store flowers arranged in it. And again, I know I've said it before, but you'll be seeing me do a series on the florals. Glassware, you've seen that before. I just added some pink ribbons to add that extra pop of pink. And that's really it. And again, gold silverware that you've seen before. And the runner is something I've used before, and I think I've got that from Ross. So that's what I got, guys. So I'm going to be quiet, let you guys go ahead and check out the Tablescape. Before I do that, I wanted to again give one last shout out to Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Miss Marilyn, she's the co-host and creator of this collaboration, or rather the host and the creator of this collaboration. Please go and subscribe to her channel or go show her some love. And again, you'll find a link to her channel down in my description box. And then the co-host, again, is Kimberly Davis, Diva Designing on a Dime. Please go again, show her some love as well. And again, a link to her channel will be in the description box along with the playlist as soon as that becomes available. The hashtag is, again, hashtag Pretty in Pink Tablescape 20. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoy what I've come up with. And guys, I can't wait to see you in the next video.